What's up? It's your boy Pope. We are back at it again with another daily pack challenge. On today's episode, we have Glory to Team Rocket. We are looking for the Mewtwo, the Moltres, the Nidoking, or the Crobat. We got 3 packs today. We're going to rip and see what we can get. Porygon, Larvitar,
That sucks.
Bruh.
Obama Snow, Houndoom, Arena, Growlithe, and a Hollow Wobbuffet. Nice pack. Golbat, Mankey, and
Gotcha.
if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.